becoming a doctor is a lifetime investment, right? If you have thought about MBBS as your future, this is going to be a lifetime thing.
Students are now considering studying abroad. What has changed?
MBBS abroad is not just a shortcut. This is a smart and more affordable option.
Right.
And with MBBS abroad, it does not mean that you have to settle abroad. It is you are studying abroad and you can settle back in India.
What all countries or what all options do I have?
Student can go to Russia, Central Asian countries like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan. We're also helping out students with the Schengen countries. Students have gone on to studying in Hungary as well. We have also helped students to go for Caribbean islands. After Caribbean islands, it becomes very easier for students to move to
the USA.
Yes. Eastern European countries, Georgia. These are more affordable options.
Right.
यहाँ पे बच्चे को ना 20 लाख से स्टार्ट करके 40-45 लाख तक उनकी डिग्री पूरी हो जाती है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच कंट्री दे आर गोइंग फॉर. इसमें बच्चे का 6 साल की ट्यूशन फी आती है, उसकी अकोमोडेशन भी होती है और उसका फूड भी होता है, which is also taken care by Meta Applies Be a Doctor, by the way, right? We are providing Indian meals to the student. We want the student to be more comfortable throughout their journey. उसकी जिंदगी में एक टेंशन होनी चाहिए कि यार मुझे अच्छा डॉक्टर बनना है. For that we are there. Our team is there, present with the student, helping the student throughout.
It's a one-stop solution.
Absolutely one-stop solution.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Meta Applies ABC podcast, Abroad and Beyond Campus. I'm your host Saurabh, and today we are diving into a topic that's been keeping the medical aspirants and their parents awake at night. Becoming a doctor has always been a dream for millions in our country. But with intense competition, sky-high NEET cutoffs, limited seats and high private college fees, with dreaded cycle of repeat years, what options do Indian students really have? Well, today we are going to break it all down. Why is studying MBBS abroad a smarter choice now than ever? The brutal reality of medical education in India. Facts every NEET aspirants and their parents need to know. Are foreign MBBS degrees credible? Can students practice in India after studying abroad? Why should parents stop pushing for repeat NEET attempts and look at practical alternatives? How is the Be a Doctor initiative by Meta Apply IE bridging the gap? And to help us unpack all of this, we have Miss Anandita Jit. She's an expert in study MBBS abroad, and she's been spearheading Be a Doctor vertical at Meta Apply IE. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Saurabh. Excited to be here.
Great to have you here. So let's start off with the question of the hour. How is the medical education landscape in India?
Okay, lovely question. We have to first understand that these are 17, 18-year-old kids. And lakhs of students are competing towards first stage is completing their national exit test, right? Which is NEET UG. Now, this year there were 22 lakh students who were appearing for this test, right? And it's mentally also very traumatic for students in a sense because it is so difficult. They have so much pressure that they have passed off their standard 12th. Either they take a drop year and then they move forward. In first go, very few students get to clear the test, right? With that, we have our medical landscape is such that they have to go through reservation quotas. We have management quotas. We have so many hurdles here, right? And then comes the price point also. If a student is going for a private university or a private college in India, the tuition fee can go into crores as well, right? And then for a middle class family, it is very difficult to afford.
True.
Right? Yeah. All of this concluded, it becomes a very difficult dream for a student to achieve, right? Plus, the second biggest hurdle comes in with the limitation of seats that we have. As I mentioned, there were 22 lakh students appearing for NEET. We only have 1,18,000 seats in 2025.
Right.
So let's just be positive. Let's say these 22 lakh students were able to clear the NEET examination. We still have seats availability or places availability for 1,18,000 students.
So
I think that
less
gives
than
you
10% even.
Right,
It's like
right,
very tough.
right. They have a huge deficit.
Yeah.
Now, a student can drop take a drop year, prepare another year, but then deficit will keep on increasing because we are an increasing population,
Right.
right? So I think MBBS, we need to find other ways as well for the students. We as a population, the Indian people, we are very intellectual. Our students are, they have high potential.
Right.
So we cannot waste it in taking one drop year to second drop year.
And there's a parental pressure as well. Society भी एक psychological toll देती है students के लिए कि you have to become a doctor, you have to do it in this certain given amount of time. So that is also there, right?
हाँ, मतलब हिस्टोरिकली अगर हम बात करें तो इट हैज बीन, या तो आपका बच्चा इंजीनियर है या फिर डॉक्टर है, इसके अलावा कुछ ऑप्शन बचते हैं. दैट फेवरेट मूवी ऑफ एवरीबॉडी, थ्री इडियट्स, they have depicted it very nicely, right? But then we have to understand, we have again growing population, limited resources. As per WHO's report, recommended ratio is 1 doctor to 1,000 patients. In India, we have one doctor for 1,511 patients.
Oh,
Again, a huge deficit here. Right? So we have to understand as a society that MBBS in India is not the only option. Students, the parents, they have to be aware about what are the other options.
That's a very valid point. But somehow I feel that parents unknowingly push their kids कि एक बार और try कर लो.
Absolutely.
Right? एक repeat और कर लो NEET exam का. Does it really help? Or does this mindset really need to change of parents?
Oh, this definitely needs to change.
Right.
Becoming a doctor is a lifetime investment. If you have thought about MBBS as your future, this is going to be a lifetime thing, right? You do your masters, you do your specialization and whatnot, right? Before 10 years, I don't think लोगों को ये लगता है कि हाँ हम कहीं पहुंच गए हैं. It takes good 10 years.
Right, it does.
तो उसमें फिर before the journey starts, the parents want the student or their kid to waste 1 year in preparation, 2 year in preparation, 3 year in preparation. And in middle of that, we forget the level of mental pressure there is for the student. Because their friends who are not doing MBBS, they've completed their college by now. 3 साल की degree होती है, they're done with it. They're
started earning as well.
They're starting earning also. तो इनका तो अभी start भी नहीं हुआ है. So why stop here? Why not look out for other option? And that is why we have study MBBS abroad as such a lucrative and a great alternative without hampering anybody's mental state, without breaking your pockets as well, without the hassle of reservation quota, management quota, this and that. No donations are there when we talk about MBBS. It's a smooth process and a great alternative.
Right.
Right. Don't waste your 2 years, 3 years into this rat race. Right. Then there are a lot of people, we were talking about deficit. Deficit फिर भी बहुत सारा बच रहा है और सपने अभी भी काफी सारे अधूरे हैं. Important point ये है कि डॉक्टर बनना है, सिर्फ इंडिया में डॉक्टर नहीं बनना है.
So as you mentioned, study MBBS abroad. कुछ टाइम पहले तक तो ये एक मेन स्ट्रीम ऑप्शन भी नहीं था. You know, studying MBBS abroad. लोग इंडिया में ही पढ़ना चाहते थे, इंडिया में एग्जाम देना चाहते थे. So students are now considering studying abroad. And I don't know, what has changed?
I think we as a society has become thoda sa impatient now. And then not a lot of students are willing to waste more years.
Right.
Plus the process is super simple, right? If we talk about pros and cons, we definitely have more number of pros when compared to studying MBBS in India, right? Let's take it step by step. First, NEET की बात करते हैं. NEET is highly competitive. To get into any college here in India, one has to score more than 500, 600, right? Then only they'll get a good college, right?
That too are very limited.
Absolutely. Right. There are only 55,000 something approximate utna seats for government colleges in India, right? For government colleges, students are required to have scores more than 600. ठीक है, competition बहुत ज़्यादा. While if we look at MBBS abroad, NEET becomes just a requirement that you need to qualify it. Here, there are no limitation on seats. We have so many options across the globe, across any country, and in any private or government universities, right? Here, we are not just private. We have both the option, government and private.
Right.
We've already covered 2 points. Third being, that you start your career early on. You're not wasting your time. Fourth is global recognition. Like when we are talking about MBBS abroad, we are getting globally recognized degree. So studying MBBS in India or becoming doctor in India सिर्फ एकलौता option नहीं बच जाता है. We have a student can move to maybe US, maybe UK, Canada, any country, any European country for that matter, after doing MBBS abroad, right? We're not talking about any specific country here. So sky's the limit. Another difference is that the degrees that the students are getting in MBBS abroad, these are globally recognized degree. There is no limit in terms of where they can practice or as a doctor, right? If they are aspiring to become a doctor, US में जाके, UK में जाके, Australia, New Zealand, any European country, right? They can go for it. They can reach for it. उसके बाद सबसे important point आता है affordability, right? When we talk about, let's come back to India. When we talk about government colleges and private colleges, government तो 600 के ऊपर वाली seats हो गई हैं, right? High ranking toppers.
Right.
When we talk about private colleges in India, they are very expensive.
बहुत ज़्यादा फीस है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. It can range from 60 lakhs and can go up to 1.2, 1.3 CR. एक middle class आदमी won't be able to afford it, right? A middle class family won't be able to dream of it. वो क्या करेंगे? They'll repeat next year. They'll try to score
ताकि
high.
गवर्नमेंट वाला मिल जाए.
हाँ, and then you are in that same circle, back to the same circle. Here, when we talk about MBBS abroad, we have options starting from, would you like to take a guess?
50 lakhs?
No, it starts from as low as 20 lakhs, and that's for your whole course.
20 lakhs for the whole course?
Whole course, yes. Right, so it's
So
that.
bargain.
Absolutely. You're
Yeah.
saving on time. You are not paying any donations. There's no quota hassle. There's no need to pressure that you have. Plus, it is affordable.
So you mentioned the affordability, the price factor, कि वहाँ पे पढ़ना सस्ता है, comparatively बहुत सस्ता है.
Right.
But the parents के दिमाग में फिर भी एक सवाल होता है कि study MBBS abroad के लिए student को बाहर भेज दिया, अपने बच्चे को बाहर भेज दिया, अब क्या?
Bilkul. Very good question. So, Indian recognition, right? Everything here in India is actually monitored by NMC, which is National Medical Commission of India, right? So, they have actually published certain guidelines for students pursuing MBBS abroad. Now, a student has to consider कि जिस university में वो admission ले रहा है, whether that university follows our NMC guidelines or not. Very simple. If that university is following those guidelines, you complete your degree MBBS abroad, you come back to India, you start your journey here in India, you apply for license and you start practicing. Very simple. Now, if I tell you about what are the guidelines that there are, student has to keep in mind that the course has to be 54 months long, which roughly translate to 4.5 years. Right. They have to do internship in the same university's hospital. Same country. They cannot change it. It cannot be like कि अच्छा मैंने let's say रशिया से MBBS कर ली है, अब मैं जो अपनी internship है वो जाके हंगरी में कर रहा हूँ. That cannot go. You're doing it from any XYZ university in Russia. You have to do your internship there.
And how long is it?
1 year.
1 year.
So it becomes a 5-year course, right? And 1 year of internship, which converts it into a 6-year MBBS degree. So they have to follow this. It has to be at least 54-month course, 12 months of internship. Along with that, they either have to be registered with that country's local body as a doctor or as a junior doctor, or they should have license to practice in that country. Right, and then we have some subject requirements. Key students should study these subjects, which is the basic syllabus for MBBS anywhere across the globe.
Right.
Along with that, the course has to be in English. Now it will by 2027 it will become a standardized process, which is National Exit Test. पहले it used to be FMGE, Foreign Medical Graduate Examination. चाहे बच्चा इंडिया से MBBS कर रहा है, चाहे वो MBBS abroad से पढ़ाई करके आ रहा है, they all will have to clear this next examination. Now, next is basically divided into 2 parts. Next one is just like NEET UG. It's a written test, right? OMR sheets and all. And next 2 is redoing another 12 months of internship here in India.
Okay.
Right now, somebody who is doing MBBS from India will also go through this 12 months of internship, and somebody who has studied from outside India coming back to India, they'll also have to do it. So it's very standard, very basic, and basically standard for everybody.
So it's more like preparing for NEET PG.
Right. NEET PG is now turned into next examination.
Okay.
So basically, we have to understand that studying MBBS abroad is not just a shortcut. This is a smart and more affordable option.
Right.
And with MBBS abroad, it does not mean that you have to settle abroad. It is you are studying abroad and you can settle back in India. Very simple.
Okay. So let's say I'm convinced. एंड मैं एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता हूँ जितनी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं स्टडी एमबीबीएस अब्रॉड में.
बिल्कुल.
सो मेरे ऑप्शंस क्या क्या हैं?
The answer to your question basically is Meta Applies Be a Doctor. जब बच्चा मेटा अप्लाई के पास आ रहा है कि उसको MBBS अब्रॉड के लिए जाना है, ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, विल टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. राइट फ्रॉम उसका यूनिवर्सिटी चूज करना या फिर उसकी कंट्री चूज करना, उसके बजट में उसको बेस्ट ऑप्शन प्रोवाइड करना, देन एप्लीकेशन वीजा से लेके सारी चीजें विल बी टेकन केयर बाय अस. राइट, वी आर अ टीम ऑफ वेरी प्रोफेशनल पीपल विद गुड एक्सपीरियंस in sending students abroad for MBBS, right? And then with us, student की जर्नी ना उसके एनरोलमेंट पे नहीं खत्म हो रही है. स्टूडेंट जब तक वो व्हाइट कोट पहन के डॉक्टर बन के पास आउट नहीं हो रहा है, ग्रेजुएट नहीं हो रहा है, तब तक मेटा अप्लाई उनके साथ है. आई मीन आई इवन अश्योर माई स्टूडेंट्स कि उनको अगर हॉस्टल में पानी की भी दिक्कत आ रही है ना, that they're not getting hot water, we are there to help them out there and then. Right, that's how involved we as an organization or the students' respective counselor is.
Right.
Very simple. We've made it very simple. There is a lot of transparency throughout the whole process. कि application, let's say आपकी application लग रही है, क्या documents चाहिए, किस stage पे चाहिए, now what is the stage of your application, offer letter, visa letters. So everything is taken care by us and properly guidance to the student as well.
Right. तो मैं कहाँ जा सकता हूँ? What all countries or what all options do I have?
Student can go to Russia. That has been a popular choice for past couple of years, right? And then we have MBBS in Central Asian countries like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan. We have our Eastern European country, Georgia. These are more affordable options.
Right.
यहाँ पे बच्चे को ना 20 लाख से स्टार्ट करके 40-45 लाख तक उनकी डिग्री पूरी हो जाती है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच कंट्री दे आर गोइंग फॉर. ठीक है. और जब मैं ये 20 लाख का सेगमेंट दे रही हूँ या मैं 25 लाख का कमिटमेंट दे रही हूँ, इसमें बच्चे का 6 साल की ट्यूशन फी आती है, उसकी अकोमोडेशन भी होती है और उसका फूड भी होता है, which is also taken care by Meta Applies Be a Doctor, by the way, right? We are providing Indian meals to the student. We want the student to be more comfortable throughout their journey. उसकी जिंदगी में एक टेंशन होनी चाहिए कि यार मुझे अच्छा डॉक्टर बनना है.
Right.
उसको ये टेंशन नहीं चाहिए कि ओके मेरे को खाना बनाना है या मेरे को मैं कहाँ रहूंगा, मेरे को क्या करना है. नहीं. For that, we are there. Our team is there, present with the student, helping the student throughout.
It's a one-stop solution.
Absolutely one-stop solution. Coming back to MBBS in Russia, it is going to be a 6-year course, right? 5 साल का कोर्स वर्क है, 1 साल का इंटर्नशिप है, जो उसी यूनिवर्सिटी के हॉस्पिटल में करके आएगा स्टूडेंट. ठीक है. उसमें जब बच्चा ग्रेजुएट होगा, they'll get their license to practice in Russia. Now they have option to either stay back in Russia, pursue their medicine, or become a practicing doctor in Russia, or they can come back to India, clear their next 1 and next 2, and start practicing their medicine in India itself, right? With that being said, I also talked about Central Asian countries. The process is similar across the globe. It is a 5+1 year degree, right? Same goes for Georgia as well. We're also helping out students with the Schengen countries. Students have gone on to studying in Hungary as well. They have top universities in the country. We have also helped students to go for Caribbean islands. Right, and after Caribbean islands, it becomes very easier for student to move to
the USA.
Yes. So they can complete their masters, or there they call it residency in the US.
What are the exams that one has to go through? Is it the same exam that you talked about, NEXT, for studying abroad MBBS?
ठीक है. So वेरी सिंपल, एवरी कंट्री हैव देयर ओन प्रोसेस गोइंग ऑन. जैसे इंडिया में हमने इंडिया में नेक्स्ट का रख दिया है कि नेशनल एग्जिट टेस्ट है, राइट. सिमिलरली यूएस का जो है यूएसएमएलई होता है, जिसको यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स मेडिकल लाइसेंसिंग एग्जाम, या फिर यूके का अलग प्रोसेस है. मैं कोई यूरोपियन कंट्री हंगरी की बात कर रहे थे हम, तो हंगरी का भी एक अलग प्रोसेस है. तो अगर आपको एमबीबीएस करके किसी भी कंट्री में जाना है, यू हैव टू फॉलो देयर प्रोसेस. नाउ अगर नीट एक स्टैंडर्डाइज यूजी के लिए एग्जाम बना हुआ है, सिमिलरली जो एंट्रेंस टेस्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट है ये नेक्स्ट या यूएसएमएलई, इट इज आल्सो समवट सिमिलर अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, obviously from country to country, because of little bit difference in the sort of diseases they have. The syllabus might change, but it is very standard. तो अगर बच्चा लेट्स से एमबीबीएस रशिया से करके या एमबीबीएस जॉर्जिया से करके वो यूएस जाना चाहता है, यूके जाना चाहता है, चाहे इंडिया आना चाहता है, प्रोसेस सिमिलर है, बस कंट्री का एंट्रेंस टेस्ट एक बदल जाएगा.
Also, if you can shed some light on the step-by-step process of how a student should, approach the study MBBS abroad.
Okay, so the first step for the student is to decide which country they want to go for.
Right.
जिसमें उनका बजट भी मेजर रोल प्ले करता है ना. तो उस पे अगर हमने कंट्री डिसाइड कर लिया, now we'll decide about the university. Done. Everything is finalized now. We'll proceed ahead for application. The document requirement for application for MBBS abroad is very basic. एक बेस्ट चीज मैं आपको बताती हूँ, इसमें IELTS या PT को इंग्लिश रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है.
अच्छा.
राइट. बच्चे को NMC की रिक्वायरमेंट्स के बेसिस पे ही जो है एडमिशन हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स 50% इन देयर स्टैंडर्ड 12th, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो का उनका बैकग्राउंड होना चाहिए. दैट्स इट. दे आर गुड टू गो. दे शुड हैव नीट स्कोर कार्ड विद क्वालिफाइंग स्कोर. Apart from that, we need passport.
And how much is that qualifying score?
For 2025, it is 144 for general category, right? And then for reserved category, it goes little low as well.
काफी कम है.
बहुत कम है, 720 में से 144. तो क्वालिफाइंग स्कोर चाहिए, पासपोर्ट चाहिए, इसके अलावा और कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है at this stage, right? We'll launch the application, we'll get you the offer letter. After that, student will make the tuition fee deposit directly into the university's account. The transparency भी देखो यहाँ पे हो गई है, right? उसके parallelly, we'll start with the visa process. At visa stage, there are 2 additional documents. One is Aadhaar card and PAN card, just soft copies, that's it, right? And 2 passport size photos.
ये भी बहुत इजी है.
बिल्कुल. हमारे को कोई इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सर्टिफिकेट नहीं देना है, लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन या स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. एज भी कोई बैरियर नहीं है. इफ द स्टूडेंट हैज टेकन 2 years, 3 years और मे बी 4 years ड्रॉप बिकॉज ऑफ नीट प्रिपरेशन, वो भी अपनी एप्लीकेशन लगा सकता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, देयर इज नो वीजा रिजेक्शन स्केयर दैट यू यूजुअली हैव विद द स्टडीइंग अब्रॉड, राइट? तो वीजा गारंटीड है.
So it all makes life so easy for
absolutely.
studying
So
MBBS
I
abroad.
told you, it is not just a shortcut. It is a safer option and more smart option as well.
Right. Okay, visa आ गया, उसके बाद क्या?
So visa के बाद we'll guide the student कि let's say वो जॉर्जिया जा रहा है, so how the climate is, how they are going to pack, what essential stuff they should pack. We guide them properly. Once the student's flight is booked, and they're traveling to Georgia, we have a team in Georgia as well who will take care of the students, right? So airport से pickup service to their hostel, getting them settled down, maybe on the way showing them little sightseeing वगैरह, ये सब कुछ भी होता है, right? And in the hostels, they actually get 3-time meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, which is a buffet service. And then vegetarian food, non-vegetarian food, both options are available. We have girls and boys hostels separate. We also have actually hired Indian wardens for the hostel so that students feel more at home, more at peace.
Right.
Right. So these are the level of services we have. And then when they are enrolled, when they're studying, they have any issues, they can surely reach out to us and then we'll take care of everything.
That's actually very great. Now let's wrap this up with my favorite segment, that is the rapid fire myth busting. I'll be shooting myths to you and you tell me the real deal.
Absolutely.
So So first up, you need a lot of money to study MBBS abroad.
A myth, definitely a myth. Because when we compare it with India, we have options starting for 20-25 lakhs, and private colleges in India can go up to 70, 80, 1 CR as well. Right? We can get a very good high ranking college in maximum 30, 35, 40 lakhs. That's it.
Great. Myth number 2, foreign medical degrees are not recognized.
Again, a myth. Absolutely wrong, because all our universities are actually following all the NMC guidelines, and they are not only recognized just in India, they are recognized across the globe.
Good. Myth number 3, students abroad don't get practical experience.
Absolutely not. Because 1 year internship is actually integrated into their program, and from second semester onwards, they start getting hospital exposure. They start treating the patient or shadowing doctors, especially in initial 3-4 semesters, right? And later on, they can actually treat patients under the supervision as well.
Myth number 4, language barriers make it impossible to study abroad.
Absolutely no, because these are 100% English degrees, right? However, I do suggest the students should actually try and learn the language a little bit, because you cannot expect your patient to communicate in the same language.
Right.
अगर वो Georgian में आपसे बात कर रहा है, you have to reply back in Georgian as well. And I think that's anywhere across the globe, wherever you are, you have to communicate with the local people in the local language. And our universities are also providing language support classes to the students.
Myth number 5, and the last one, studying abroad means you have to settle there.
No, because students can come back to India, they can get their license to practice in India, they can move anywhere in the world.
Wonderful. Anandita, I must say that this whole discussion was an eye-opener. And before we wrap this up, do you have something for the medical aspirants?
Absolutely. So my advice to these students is that do not let this one exam dictate your future, right? Do your research, explore your options. If you are confused at any point, come to us, come to MetaApply. We are here to help you, guide you throughout the process. And I think the goal is to become a doctor.
Right.
Doctor बनना है, सिर्फ एक Indian MBBS degree नहीं लेनी है.
Thank you so much, Anandita. Thank you for all your valuable insights.
It was good to be here, Saurabh.
Likewise. And that's a wrap for today's episode. And let me remind you, your dream of becoming a doctor is well within the reach. And we at MetaApply are here to guide you every step of the way to make it a reality. Thank you to our lovely listeners for tuning in. If you find this really helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, stay ambitious, and remember, your future is in your hands. This is your host Saurabh, signing off.